Who benefits most from itemizing tax deductions? Imagine saving more money on your taxes just because you know which deductions to claim. That's what choosing between standard and itemized deductions is all about. Some people find it pays off to itemize, while others do better with the standard deduction. Let's break down who really benefits from itemizing. If you own a home, you might be in a good spot to benefit from itemized deductions. Mortgage interest payments and property taxes can add up to large amounts that reduce your taxable income. For example, if you pay $15,000 in mortgage interest and $5,000 in property taxes, that could be more than the standard deduction. In 2023, the standard deduction for a single filer was $12,900, and for married couples filing jointly, it was $25,800. So, if your total deductible expenses are higher than those amounts, itemizing can save you money. Medical expenses are another reason to itemize. If you have significant medical bills, like surgeries or long-term treatments, and your total exceeds 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, those costs can be deducted. Charitable donations also add up, especially if you give regularly to causes or churches. For example, donating $500 to a qualifying charity can reduce your taxable income if you itemize. However, many Latino families might not benefit as much from itemizing because they tend to have lower homeownership rates. If you rent and don't pay property taxes or mortgage interest, your deductible expenses are usually lower. Without those big expenses, your total deductions might not surpass the standard deduction, so claiming the standard is simpler and often better. Income level also influences who benefits most. Higher income households often have larger deductible expenses like mortgage interest or charitable contributions. These expenses can add up to more than the standard deduction, making itemizing worthwhile. Conversely, lower income families, including many Latino households, often have fewer deductible expenses, so they tend to benefit more from the standard deduction and tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit. Tax credits are especially helpful because they directly reduce the amount of tax owed, sometimes resulting in a refund. These credits are designed to support low and moderate income families, which many Latino families fall into. While claiming tax credits can be complicated, especially for mixed status households, they can make a big difference in your take-home money. In summary, if you own a home with mortgage interest and property taxes that add up to more than the standard deduction, itemizing makes sense. But if you rent or have fewer deductible expenses, taking the standard deduction combined with tax credits often gives you the most benefit. Knowing when to choose each option can help you keep more of your hard-earned money.